This amazing platform will change your life. And I'm not kidding when I say it's one of the most spectacular online making money opportunities I've ever seen. I mean, you'll be able to make money simply by speaking. Isn't it amazing that we used to have easier options to make money online, such as simply listening to music or clicking on advertisement for products and services? Although, in my opinion, this website will be one of the most straightforward, not to mention that if you keep earning money online, you may be able to live a less hectic life. Isn't that, after all, the goal? To work less and make more. Today's technique will concentrate on your voice. And please stick with me to the end of the video to discover how to correctly set this up. By the way, do not even skip the video because you'll be sorry that you didn't even know about this method, since it will pay you consistently if you work on it on a regular basis. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So today, this is the platform that I'll be talking about. And it's a legitimate platform because if you look at this right here, you'll be able to see all of the success stories praising how this platform works and how they can take care of their clients. You can just pick one of these stories to see how Voices.com has been assisting these service providers. And yes, this is the platform that I'm talking about, Voices.com. So, if you go to their homepage right now, you'll notice that they've partnered with a number of prestigious companies like Shopify, Microsoft, Discovery Channel, Hulu, and the Los Angeles Times, among many others. This is just another way of proving that this platform is reliable and truly a big-time company. Also, this platform basically provides a lot of jobs for seeking service providers. These projects range from audio production, voiceover, music translation, and that's just to name a few. This website is really amazing. Thank God for technology. But for the sake of this video, we'll be showing you the category that we can really maximize our earning potential in a little bit. As I mentioned earlier, today's strategy will focus on our voices. So, if you apply for a project and are accepted, you will be supplied with all of the materials you need to do your tasks efficiently. You will be given scripts, books, articles, or any other content, in general, to read and get paid for by the minute. To further inspect the page, click on All Services right here. As you can see, this website offers a variety of services under these different categories. There are more subcategories of what you can do on this platform. If you want to learn more about them, simply browse the website and study how Voices.com works. However, we won't be trying out everything. Instead, we'll concentrate on voiceovers. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Now, let's get back to the video. Another issue that has occurred to me is that what if you don't have a professional sounding microphone? The answer is simple. All you need is a pair of headphones with a microphone, and that should be enough. By the way, you won't even need to show your face on this job, so you won't need any social media followings or investment. All you will ever need is yourself and your voice for ebook videos and the like. They just want people like you to read out some words and record. You won't even need to write the scripts because the client will provide everything. All you need to do now is to just read and record. Now make sure to stay with me on this one because we'll be covering on how to sign up for this platform right here. Be sure to stay focused this time because we'll also cover how to get verified by this website and how to find the best projects for you to maximize your earnings. To join up, go and return to the homepage and look for sign up on the top right side of your screen. When you click on it, a tiny page prompt will appear in front of your screen asking for your email. You will also have the option to link your Facebook and Google accounts. On this platform, registration is much easier for you. It will only take a few seconds. But if you choose either of the two, simply enter your email address and click Continue. After clicking Continue, provide them with your full name, spelling it correctly, and a password before ticking the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure you choose Work as a Freelancer and then sign up. You'll then be given the chance to choose the job category you want to work in. And I'll stop you right now because we'll be disclosing the possibilities that will offer us the most return on our investment. So the first option in these categories that you should prioritize is audiobooks, which will pay you a lot of money. The second option is explainer videos, which will provide you with jobs or tasks where you will advertise the product that they're selling or displaying. And the third option is video games, which will provide you with work voicing video game characters. These are the three areas where we should concentrate our efforts on while on this platform. And of course, to make more money online in the future. To see what's inside these buttons, let's take a look at them. Let's start with audiobooks. When you click on audiobooks, you'll be redirected to this page, where you'll see all of the people who are offering their services. To see the jobs that you can actually apply for, click here. After clicking that, you will see all of the jobs that are currently available. The only advice I can give to you is to find a job where you will be working on their file for at least minutes so that the pay will be a little higher than expected. So have a look at these occupations and see which one you believe you'll be able to make money on. Oh, and before I forget, you can also download their app on your mobile device. In my opinion, it would be much easier for you to work on such voiceover projects because your phone already has a built-in microphone. Overall, this project is suitable for everyone and should be a priority for you to try. It is a high return on investment with little to no work required, so why wait? And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.